Welcome to the evening commodity market update. Let's begin with gold. Gold prices edged higher on Friday as bargain buying emerged after the previous session's sharp sell-off. Despite the recovery, bullion is still on track for its biggest weekly decline since early June, as escalating US-Iran tensions have kept inflation concerns elevated, reducing expectations of an early interest rate cut. From a technical perspective, MCX Gold is approaching a crucial support zone at 1,39,800 rupees. A decisive break below this level could trigger fresh selling pressure and drag prices towards 1,38,500 rupees and 1,38,000 rupees on an intraday basis. On the upside, 1,42,000 rupees remains the key resistance level. Now let's move to copper. Copper futures slipped below $6.2 per pound, touching a one-week low as the escalating US-Iran conflict triggered broad-based selling across metal markets. Market sentiment remained cautious after the United States carried out multiple strikes on Iran this week, prompting investors to reduce exposure to risk assets. Technically, MCX Copper failed to sustain its recent rally and extended the previous session's decline. A breakdown below 1,290 rupees could accelerate selling towards 1,280 rupees and 1,274 rupees during the day, while 1,310 rupees is expected to act as the immediate resistance. Finally, let's look at crude oil. WTI crude oil prices edged higher on Friday and are on track for strong weekly gains as the escalating military conflict between the United States and Iran continues to fuel concerns over potential supply disruptions from the Middle East, providing support to oil prices. On the technical front, MCX crude oil remains firmly in an uptrend and is set to post its fifth consecutive day of gains. A sustained breakout above 7,830 rupees could extend the rally towards 8,000 rupees and 8,100 rupees, while 7,550 rupees is likely to provide strong intraday support. That's your commodity wrap for today. Have a great trading day ahead. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.